The Dacia Duster 2026 appears to build on the Duster's great record of affordability, reliability, and utility, which has helped it become one of the world's most popular compact SUVs. Dacia's new model focuses on improved design, technology, and efficiency, while remaining true to its budget-friendly creation. The 2026 Duster has a new and more rugged design. It has a sharper front grille, new LED headlights, and a more muscular stance, giving it a dominant road presence. The Duster starts at $31,990 for the 1.3-liter 4x2 model and $36,490 for the 1.2-liter 4x4. Inside, the 2026 Duster is set to provide a more sophisticated experience than previous models. The primary focus remains on comfort, space, and usability rather than luxury. The inside has a 7-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.1-inch central touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto. There are still 2 cup holders between the front seats, USB-C ports, and a wireless phone charger, depending on the model. The door bins are large enough to hold small drink bottles, and while the glove box appears to be of ordinary size from the outside, it is really smaller inside due to the fuse box arrangement in right-hand drive vehicles. Another little storage bin can be found under the center armrest. Duster now offers the hybrid 155 drivetrain. This powertrain provides power and versatility for daily use with 155 horsepower and 205 newton-meters of maximum torque. It combines performance and environmental responsibility with its optimized hybrid technology, which lowers fuel consumption and CO2 emissions